And so for today's product review, ang aking i-review ay ang bago nating product, which is the Anew. So ayan siya. So this is just the very new product of Avon. Ayan. So ito ay Anew Skin Reset Plumping Shots. So bubuksan natin. So this is a 7-day challenge. So today is my day 1. Ayan. So this is my skin. Ayan. Ayan yung skin ko. Ayan siya. So no filter. So we will try 7-day challenge ni Anew Skin Reset. Titingnan natin kung mag-reset, kung anong mangyayari sa ating face after following this for 7 days. So ayan siya. So yan naman aking skin ay no filter at all. So ganyan siya. Ganyan talaga. So again, ito yung ating review. Ayan. So this is good for 7 days and it will only cost you 999 kasi introductory price pa lang po siya. So I grabbed the opportunity, kumuha na ako and then I will try it myself. So today is my day 1. So we will open this product. Ayan. So nakaganito siya. Okay, so I will read the instructions. So step 1. Gently flip the cup, then open by snapping off the top. Massage product over face, neck, and chest area. Follow with moisturize. Okay, so ganito siya. So puputulin. Ayan. So ayan, na-open ko na siya. So we're just going to use our beauty finger. Ayan. Tsaka i-massage daw natin sa face. Tingnan natin kung mag-plump ang ating face or kung merong improvement na mangyayari sa ating ayan siya. Yung feeling niya guys, medyo ma-oily siya. If you're using yung serum ng Anew, parang ganun din yung texture niya. So ayan, lalagay din natin. Hanggang liig daw kasi. So ayan, apply tayo hanggang liig. So ginawa ko nga pala to after I took a bath. So syempre naglinis na rin ako ng mukha ko. Ayan. So hanggang dito lang yan. So ayan siya. So we're going to massage lang. Siguro in circular motion. So after natin siyang i-massage, we have to follow it through with a moisturizer. So with Avon naman marami tayong skin moisturizer. So ako kasi meron akong Anew Reversalist na moisturizer. So yun na lang yung gagamitin ko after dito. Ayan. So kanina I'm doubting kung ano siya, kung kakasya kasi sobrang liit niya. Pero kasya naman siya guys. So far, okay naman siya. So, huwag kalimutan yung liig para pantay. So, I'm excited of the result of this one after 7 days. So, this is day 1. Sa smell, wala siyang amoy na something very mild, very light. This is our day 1. Ayan, so moving forward, pinatuyo ko lang siya ng konti, pina-absorb ko lang siya ng konti sa aking skin. So after kasi nung plumping shots, it is recommended that you're going to follow it through with a moisturizer. So I will be using this one. Patagal ko na siyang ginagamit. Ayan, so the Anew Day Cream. Ayan po. So ito po yung laman niya, white po siya na cream. So I'm just going to use my beauty fingers again para ilagay siya i-apply sa ating skin. Ayan. So, i-massage lang natin yung cream. Ayan siya. So, ano lang ako, change lang ako ng costume. Naglagay lang ako ng shower cap para maayos yung pagka-apply ko sa akin. Ayan. So, ganito lagi guys yung gagawin natin. After every ampule, we're going to follow it through with a moisturizer. Ayan. So, second day ng ating Anew reset. Plumping shots. Ayan. Day 2. So, ganun lang ulit. Tulin lang to. So, ito pala yung tinatawag na ampule. So, dito po ito. So, as usual, i-massage lang po natin siya sa ating face. So, follow it through with a moisturizer. So, moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. So, day 3. So, the same procedure lang. Ayan, so, after ng plumping shots, moisturize po ulit using our Anew moisturizer. Ayan, so today ay nasa pang day 4 na ako ng ating Anew Skin Reset Plumping Shots. So, ayan. Ayan yung aking skin. So, again, i-flip lang natin yung ampule ng ganito. Yun. So, as usual, uubusin natin yung isang ampule. Lalagay natin sa ating skin. So, may napansin ba kayo sa skin ko? So, day 4. So, we have 3 days more to go to complete the 7-day challenge of our Anew Skin Reset. Ayan. So, again, huwag kalimutang i-follow through ng moisturizer. So, moisturize, moisturize, and moisturize using our Anew moisturizer. So, tayo ngayon ay nasa 5 na ng ating 7-day skin reset. So, ayan, as usual, i-flip lang natin yung part na to. Ayan. This is how we open it. And then we will start to massage this one. Yan, so again, we have to follow it through with a moisturizer using our Anew moisturizer. So we're now of our Anew skin reset. So, the same procedure, we have to flip the ampule, ito, yung part na to. And then, ayan. We will start applying all over our face using our beauty finger. So, i-massage lang natin. Again, we have to follow it through with a moisturizer using our Anew moisturizer for a plumper skin. And good morning! So, ayan. So, pang 7th day na natin. So, ayan na yung skin ko. So, as usual, we're just going to flip para mabuksan natin. Ayan. And then, lagay natin sa ating beauty finger and apply to our skin. So, massage natin siya in circular motion. So, yung feeling niya is medyo malagkit. So, when it comes to price, guys, ito po ay nagkakahalaga ng $999 introductory price niya. So, and then, gagamitin mo siya for 7 days. So, if we're going to round it off at 1,000, divide natin siya ng 7. So, medyo costly. So, nasa 143 per ampule siya. So, again, huwag kalimutan ang leeg. So, whatever cream or kung ano man yung ina-apply nyo sa face, dapat kasama lagi yung ating leeg. Diba? So, yung leeg ko, flawless din sa aking face. Anyway, feeling ko naman, there's a difference. Meron namang improvements sa skin ko. We're going to compare my before and after video. The claim of the product kasi is you'll have a baby-like skin. Ayan. So, I've tried kasi bilang sales leader ni Avon. Bago ko talaga i-promote yung isang product, I'm trying it myself. So, prior to this one kasi, ang talagang beauty regimen ko is the Anew Reversalist. So, yun talaga yung ginagamit ko. The complete package of the Anew Reversalist. By the way, I'm 43 years old lang. So, very late na kasi ako nag-skincare. Ayan. Yan. So, again, moisturize after the plumping shots. Yan. So, that's all. This has been your Avon Lady Vancho Danila saying, for a plumper skin, Anew skin reset ang gamitin.